Alright, this is Brand Ninja. I'm about to descent down onto George Pool crates now. And I'm gonna go ahead and kill everyone in the vicinity and get me a winner chicken dinner.
I'm gonna die right off the bat.
If you do, you might as well just uninstall the game and never attempt to play it again. Shouldn't be that many people this late after the jump. I see 2 bogeys. Oh, can't tell how many's coming here. Oh shoot, I guess I'm going crate. I have to wait. Oh, okay, my thing's finally loaded. But I wasn't sure, so I kept going straight.
At least 4
There's
here.
4. Yeah, at least 4. No weapons in the vicinity that I can see. Oh, and then I'm glitching hardcore, so I fell off.
Yep.
Dang, and I think there's a weapon too. I got used
Everything I'm trying to pick up, it ain't picking it up.
Well, I mean, mine's picking it up, but I'm really glitchy. That means when I go fire, I'm gonna be missing hardcore and I'm gonna cry. Alright, there's one guy right there, but I ain't even gonna battle him yet. I mean, I have some guns and stuff, but it's so glitchy. Oh, level 3 helmet, I'll take that bad boy. Hopefully this glitch clears up. Oh, suppressor for my UP9. Heck yes. Now, if I can find a red dot, I'll be happy. Oh, level 2 vest, I'll take that. There. Nice. As long as I don't keep glitching around and hopefully don't fall off. Oh, red dot. Everything's looking up. I can put this thing in full auto. How you doing?
Not very good.
So far I don't see no one. Oh, there's a guy. He's in front of the warehouse to the west or east. Oh, one really close. He's on top of the crate straight ahead of me. He's almost dead. I smacked him a good 4 times. I'm gonna go that way. Oh wait, you don't have a weapon yet, do you? Oh, you do?
Vector.
Oh, the guy's outside the warehouse now. He's getting shot at. Someone just knocked him down. Almost steal the kill. I stole the kill. Kill is confirmed and stolen. The guy, 2 people running out. Watch out, 2 people running out. To your left.
Oh, that's him to the right.
Oh, I don't know. I seen him run left by the blue tower.
Oh, there he is.
Where?
Yep. Corner blue crate by the tower.
Alright. I'm gonna go up. We're at the blue.
Right on the edge. That's the last time I seen him.
Yeah, here running.
It's me.
Oh, I hear a different running.
That's him.
There's one down. One down.
This Vector sucks. Oh, he's got right.
Dead. That's 3. Oh, shoot. Why are you shooting at me? Was that you shooting me?
No.
Just 3 seconds ago. That wasn't you just shooting.
No, I killed the guy that was laying dead. This guy was crawling up in the tower.
He's already dead. I just killed his buddy right here.
Huh.
I'm taking the 3 bag. Take the buggy and then...
Oh, I see 2 guys. Across
Yeah.
the bridge.
Yeah. Just wait for them. They might be running this way.
I headshot him right now. Just standing
No, just wait for him though. Wait for him to come closer. He's running across right now. And shoot.
Oh, I didn't have a gun reloaded.
How is he not dead? Damn it. I'm reloading.
Hit him once. Killed him.
Nice. We'll go for the... you go for the buggy, I'm gonna go for the loot.
There's another guy across the bridge.
Where?
He was shooting at him. That's the dude that was running across the bridge. The other guy was before the bridge.
I don't see no one.
Not even
Ah,
these
there's...
guys.
There's a different guy that running towards that garage to the left, though.
Yeah, that was him. That was standing him. That was him. He was shooting at the guy running across the bridge.
One more even try to take this loot if he has any. Oh shit, he sees me. I'm running back. I'm running back. I'm running back. Please don't get hit. Please don't get hit. Please don't get hit.
Hit him once. He just laid down. Knocked him.
Knocked him?
Yep.
So, where's his buddy then?
I don't know.
I'm healing real quick. I heard the second shot. Did you kill him? Kill him?
Yeah, killed him. Yeah, killed him. But I don't know where his buddy is.
His buddy's at the yellow house right now. He's at actually the 2-car garage. But I don't know what end he's at. Is that you?
No.
I don't. Oh yeah, there he is. Oh, what the heck?
Can I get you from there?
Well, I mean, I can crawl across to you as long as you don't smack me. Just watch the 2-car garage. He's on the right one.
I gotta heal because I'm about to die.
Yeah, well then hurry up and heal. Hopefully he ain't a good shot and that rail protects me. Just don't get headshotted. Yeah, wait, how did he knock me? Oh, hurry up and heal me. How? Oh, I don't have no healing. Hopefully the guy's body in front of me does. Hopefully I can pop a pain pill that fast just to keep me alive. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Please, pain pill.
I'll get the buggy, you just took that buggy.
Yeah, I have to, otherwise I'm... Well, the only thing we can do is kind of go for that bus then. Oh, they're outside. Hit once. Knock him, he's almost down.
Oh.
The other guy's to the right. By the Jeep. I smacked him a few times. He's probably inside by now. No, don't worry about his friend. Focus on this guy, he's by the Jeep last. Run left of the house, I'll go this way. So far I don't see him.
Nope.
Nope. Kill his friend if you see him. There he is. Knocked him. Oh shoot! I almost shot you. I think I started shooting you a little bit. I need to heal. No, not bandage. Just go ahead and do first aid. They probably got more first aids I could take. So I guess we can start moving in. Oh, there's someone outside laying in the field. Downed. To the west. His buddy's running in from the blue right now. Oh, he died from the zone. Alright, let's go. Oh, boy. So he knows we're here.
There's a guy right in that green house.
Well, then we'll just wait a second. Alright, we'll start moving. Hurry up and run into this house. Shh. Someone's in here. Knocked one.
Got him. Guy got across the street from us right now. He's running out by this tree. He's out in the open. Dead.
Yeah, there's someone else by a tree. Dead, dead, dead. Reloading, let's go. Alright, no, heal up, heal up. Make sure you're healed, make sure your gun's reloaded. I want to see if I can see the other guy out in the field. Want to boost while I'm looking?
There ain't no wall or nothing, no building next to us.
There kinda is, kinda not. Oh, there he is. He's coming out. They're coming out of the penis. Get ready. They're running the left. Someone else behind us?
I think so.
They're inside the house that we just left. He's almost dead. Just run, run. They're out there. Yeah, at this fucking shed.
Knock one.
Oh, he's almost dead. Run around the corner. He has a double shotgun. Yes! Woo! Winner, winner, chicken dinner. How many kills you got?
Seven.
Dude, we're right on point. Both sevens. I told you this game was gonna be good. Told you it's gonna be
Look
good.
at my